And we are back. Welcome back to the Data Expert. My name's Connor, and today we're going to be tackling the LeetCode SQL problem number 3, big countries. So this one is a relatively straightforward example, but it does teach important filtering logic. So let's jump straight into the code. I'll hide that there, formation of the table, and I will do select all from world. The table is called world. And you'll see here that we have a table with names of countries on the left and descriptive information about those countries to the right. So Angola is a country in Africa and it has an area of this, a population of this, and a gross domestic product of this. Our goal here is simple. We want to return the name, the population, and the area columns for those countries that are big. What does big mean? Well, a country is considered big in this example if it meets either of these two conditions. It has an area of at least 3 million kilometers squared, or it has a population of at least 25 million people. So breaking that down into SQL logic, I see the word here at least, or the words at least. That signifies to me that we are going to be using a greater than or equal symbol in our statement. And either, we see the word either here, that signifies that we're going to be using the or operator in our where statement. So if we jump into the code, actually, just as well to point out that as an example, Russia has a massive area but a small population, it would qualify. Japan has a small area but a massive population, it would also qualify. Where a country like Ireland that has a small area and a small population would not qualify. So that's another way to look at it. But yeah, we'll keep this as a reference point, copy that down, and we are going to select the name column, and I'll pull this down to make it look easier to read. And I'm going to put this in brackets because it's a keyword, and population as well, which is also a keyword, so I'll put that in brackets. And then we also want to return the area, and we will put the where statement as mentioned previously, and we will do where the area is greater than or equal to. I will cheat a bit here and put this in, or because remember it says has either, meaning or, I will do or a population of greater than or equal to 25 million. And you'll see here that the table that was originally 5 rows has reduced to 2 rows. And Afghanistan and Algeria are both big countries according to that criteria. So yeah, that's it. That's the LeetCode SQL 3, SQL example number 3 solved. Another simple one, but great practice for understanding filtering conditions. Make sure to subscribe for the next challenge in the series.